Hello everyone, it's your Lux Queen Jackie and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I have two special unboxings for you. Yes, not one, but two. Two things that I got on my birthday, which was a few days ago. I have two Saint Laurent items that I'm going to unbox for you today. So stay tuned. Let's unbox these beauties. A few days ago, it was my birthday and I got so many beautiful things. I want to thank everyone for each and every one of my gifts. I loved them all. But two of the things that I got, I haven't even opened because I wanted to unbox them here with you. I received two Saint Laurent items that we are going to open together. And then next week, I will have a whole birthday haul video so you can see everything that I got for my birthday. Let's start with our first item. Have here the receipt. And looks like a small box. Let's open it up and see what it is. Can you guess what it is? I think I can. Let's see. They wrap everything so pretty. The box says Saint Laurent. In his little dust bag that says Saint Laurent as well. Let's see what it is. It's beautiful Saint Laurent card holder. Oh, she's beautiful. In black leather with gold hardware. Isn't she a stunner? I don't have the measurements yet because I just opened it with you, so I can't do a full review. I'm gonna do a full review after I've been using it. She feels so good though, so sturdy. So I see that it has two card slots on the front where it has the YSL, and on the back it has another two card slots on the back. Here's the front and here's the back, and then a compartment in the middle so that you can put, I guess, more cards or cash, whatever you want to put. She's beautiful, very shiny. The leather seems to be very, very good quality. I love it. Beautiful. Let's open up our second gift. It's a bigger Saint Laurent box. So let's see what's in here. Can't wait to see what's in here. Here's the dust bag. It says Saint Laurent on it. Oh, beautiful. I know what this is. It's the Saint Laurent Uptown clutch in the crocodile leather. I know it's not really crocodile, they call it crocodile leather, but I believe it's 100% cowhide leather with the gold YSL lettering. Oh my God, I've always wanted one of these. Let's look at inside. Here's the Saint Laurent cards. There you go, can you see? Oh, it's so beautiful, it's so soft. I think it's gonna be really pliable too. It doesn't look like it fits a lot, but when you go out to parties or when you go out to dinner, you really don't need much, so we'll see what fits in it. So now let's see what fits in this beauty. I'm gonna put everything that I put when I go out at night or when I go to a party to make sure that everything fits in here. Let's see. Let's start with the card holder I just got. Here I'm gonna put some credit cards and some cash. So that's gonna go in here. My phone, which is an iPhone 11 Pro Max, so it's the big one. So put that in there. My key holder with my house keys and my car keys. Put in there. Let's do a compact. Every woman needs to have a compact with her. And finally, a lipstick or a lip gloss. There. Let's see if it closes. Oh, wonderful, perfect. Look, not a problem. It has a magnetic closure. So here's the magnet. You just like this and it closes. Very securely. Very, very good. This is beautiful. I love this gift. Thank you so much. It is a wonderful, wonderful gift, and I'm going to enjoy it a lot. I'm going to be using these for a few weeks, and then I'm going to do a review of each with all the details and the size, the price, and everything, so that you guys can see if I like it. But right now, I can tell that I am really, really gonna like these pieces. Remember, on next week's video, I'm going to do a birthday haul on everything that I received for my birthday. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe below so that you can see next week's birthday haul video. Click on these videos above if you want to see my review of the Gucci Marmont Velvet bag in cobalt blue. It is a stunning bag and you will love that video. Also, click on the video to see my handbag essentials, what every woman should have in her bag. Thanks again, everyone. Have a great day or night. I will see you next time.